Peace and love, guys. We're back with another video. Today we have a pair of 350s, the Synths. And before we jump into the Synths, I got to thank everybody for subscribing, for supporting, for clicking, for showing your boy some love in the times of these onslaught of reviews. So I really do appreciate it. And this pair was a regional release that came out on 2019, like June 22nd. The non-reflectives came out after that. You can see right here in the box it says Synth. I think it says Synth. I think it says Synth RF, but didn't really want to pull those out the box like that. But you know, I don't condone the resale of the UAs, gifteds, fakes, whatever you want to call them. Don't condone the resale. I just review them. I give them absolutely for free as a donation, and I give you guys a visual treat for that. So this pair is amazing, and I had no idea it really existed until my man Chills Kicks displayed them for me in a sneaker battle we did a month or two ago, and from then I just had to have a pair. I do think this pair looks very well. I got a 9.5, and this is the fully reflective pair. I'll have to get a picture of what they look like when they're all lit up, but I do like them. I like things that are bland like this, and the weaving pattern is just amazing. Like, look at the back there. I love no heel tab as well. That's kind of my thing. It actually makes it easier for me to put these on with no heel tab. But let's see here. I just love that pattern. Like, I have the Yeezys, which I'll be bringing them out here in a second, because that's really my only retail pair I have to compare with. Look at those laces. Look at all the fine detail. Like, when you're far away, you really can't see all this detail until you get in there. There's the insole. Really nothing special here. I would call these like light pink or maybe a light mauve or something like that. Here's the other shoe. The form of the shoe looks pretty good. Like, that front part is swooping up, and the heel tab's not flapping too back. If you stick your finger in there, yeah, you can see your finger. These ventilate pretty well as well. All right, so here we go. We have the here's the ACL, and the insoles almost looked identical, but that's a little lighter. But it almost looks like some of the colors on the ACL are the same on the Synth. And if you look at the shape of the pair I have below, it's really different. All right, so here's the back. Okay, some of that knit is a little higher on the Synth. You kind of catch that. Here's the top-down shape. That looks pretty accurate to me. Here's the boost. This was the only issue I had with the shoe, is the boost. So look at the boost. Does that look okay by you boost spotters? Is that... I don't see like those little nipples. I see little ones, but like there's like usually some bigger ones on there, but I don't know. Let me see here. See, this is the retail pair. Does that look the same? Oh, that one has a little bit more dots on it. So let's just go right into the black light, because you know the black light tells everything. So throwing the black light on them, you don't see anything as far as stitching wise, but as soon as I went to the boost, when I get there, okay, that little piece will light up. All right, now here we are at the boost. It's all purple. So I don't know if that means it's not the BSAF boost. Those just look dope under the black light. But I didn't find anything on the upper on these, but when I went to the boost, look at that. There's barely any infrared or purple or ultraviolet light on that one. Let's go back to the gifted. And that's the retail. One more time with the gifted on like the 4-foot part. That's very interesting. Now I got a black light all the 350s. Here's the box of the gifted pair. And here's the retail box. So it's pretty interesting. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm trying to keep this video about 6 minutes. Maybe 6:15, 6:45, no more than 7 minutes. After this video, I will be completely done. I don't have anything coming in for like, hopefully a week. I'm taking a break in August too. I need a break, taking a break, cutting back on the shoes, getting rid of some shoes. Need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. It is what it is. I'm still gonna make these videos for you guys because that's what I do. You pulled up to the live on Sunday. I appreciate it. They're getting bigger and bigger. Like, the family is growing. That's where you get all the secret tips and tricks and hacks and all that good stuff, giveaways. Sunday's exclusive. Like, I tell everything on the Sundays. It's my tell-all. Let me finish this up. Roll the music. Roll the music. Go over. Let me go to that little grate hole in the ground. What do you call those things? Like the little sewer thingy? Under 7 minutes. I appreciate all the love and support on the last video. That was amazing. Like, for real.